Alright, boys, low-key brutal week out of our trade today. We ended up losing about 800 and I want to say $20, $820 today, putting us down on the eval about $300 maybe. That's not the point, because none of that really matters to me. The point is I got fucking waked out, and I got waked out, and then it ran to our TP, and I can attribute it to a reason today. That's why I want to make this trade recap right now, because the idea is flowing through my head. And before that, low key, we gotta do the song of the day. What could be the song of the day? Yesterday it was "No Manners" by Diamond. Today we're gonna do Diamond as well, low key. Mm. This is our song of the day today. Thanks, Teddy. Alright, boom. Now that we got the song of the day out the way, let's get straight to the recap. Oh, fuck. Y'all can't see shit, can y'all? Why? Oh, no. Oh, it's the screen capture, definitely. And then perfect. Alright, boom. Let's get straight into the recap. Okay, boys. Alright. So, coming into market open, what the fuck do I want to see? Either I wanted to see bang and bang, or what I wanted to see is, since we're already in this overall bearish trend, if it could load, since we're overall in this bearish trend, what really would make sense to me is we get a nice little sweep here, and then we immediately come down and take out the London low. That looks ideal to me. That looks ideal to y'all. High time frame sweep of a 5-minute sweep, 50-minute bearish value gap fill, maybe an inverse along the way, maybe a break of structure, and we sweep out the London low. So boom, market opens, bang, bang, bang. Now, whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me make something clear over here. So, what seems to be, oh, I gotta charge my MacBook. What seems to be the problem with this is we don't get really a proper sweep, right? If we were gonna get a proper sweep, we would get like a fill in over here, this 50-minute bearish value gap, and then get this candle right here to be the reaction candle. That doesn't really happen. What really happens here is we sort of just like sweep it out, and then we get a delayed reaction, which isn't always a good sign. And you'll see why I'm saying this right now. Anyways, we create the SMT on ES, right? Bang. Now what do I want to see? I want to see this inversion right here. And another bad sign. Alright, never mind. But this is where I entered. Another bad sign is it took us 3 candles to inverse this 1 minute gap. So at 8:36 is when I entered, 6 minutes in the market open. What the fuck? Is it not supposed to show? What the fuck? Wait, hold on. Wait, no, okay, I'm just gonna remove this low key. Alright, 8:36 is where I entered, right here. Stopped above this 1 minute high, and at the top of the 50-minute bearish value gap, take profit at the London low. With our break-even point being when ES takes out these lows because of the SMT, right? Now, what ended up happening is, bro, we're literally like, bro, like maybe fucking three ticks away from break-even, right? We would have gotten break-even right here. However, we don't really get the break even. I stick to my strategy. If we don't take out the fucking lows on ES, I'm not going to go break even. And we ended up going back up, sweeping out, taking out this 1 minute high, while still maintaining this 50-minute bearish value gap. And then we ended up sweeping. So, like, low key, if I set my, like, stops, like, somewhere here, maybe, but, like, bro, why would I set my stops there? Right? Like, there's really no point. So, I ended up setting it here. We ended up getting wigged out for a loss about of $820. And our TP would have been 1500. So like this is like it's just one of those like common things that happens, you know? Like, and obviously I'm locked out of my accounts. Like I'm not taking any more trades. I use the lockout feature just because like, bro, I don't really want to give back more money to the markets. Sometimes I'll be hella pissed off about it. Like today I'm fucking pissed off about it. Like that it's just a stupid way to lose, right? And on top of it, like I'm thinking, is there a re-entry, right? Okay, sure. We ended up sweeping out the high. Asia, I mean, ES wanted to grab the 5 minute high for liquidity, right? But is there really anywhere where we could have gotten an inversion on our leading index? Fuck no, right? right? Like, this is a 3 candle downwards move. Like, I couldn't have done anything. There's no way that I could have, like, really, maybe if I entered here, maybe like, oh, damn, we got the sweep and the reaction, but like, you know, maybe I pre-fired it. I don't know what it was, but I think it's a good trade. The only thing is, this sweep didn't really seem like the best sweep, right? This sweep right here wasn't like, like three small candles to inverse a fucking like small 1 minute gap. Like, that's a dead giveaway, right? And then we ended up coming back up, sweeping reaction. That seems a little bit more ideal to me. I don't know. Maybe it should have been a market sentiment trade. Maybe it should have been something that like I should have known with experience, but it wasn't the best trade. Anyways, no. It was a good trade. It was genuinely a good trade. It stuck to my strategy. Rules were pretty good. I was going for the adequate take profit. The risk to reward was decent. My stop loss was at a decent point. I'm putting it above a high like I always like to do. The only problem is it took 3 candles to inverse this value gap, which is like, I mean, it's not like a strategy problem. It's more the fact that like maybe with market experience, I can see that this is not the most ideal. But like, bro, we formed an SMT with the sweep of a 5 minute high, a fill the 50-minute bearish value gap, and an invalidation of a 1 minute gap on the leading index with a perfect stop and a good take profit, and we ended up just getting wicked out. Like, literally, look, bro, we ended up getting wicked out by about 13 takes. So like, I don't know, bro. Anyways, I don't really have much more to say about the trade. Like, in my opinion, wicked out of a A+ setup, losing $800. It's whatever, and it's on the eval. Like, really, next week, like, we're finna go crazy and probably pass the eval, and then we finna start getting payouts on Lucid. So appreciate y'all boys, and y'all boys have a blessed one.